This is finally my video of my new apartment. So this is where I live. There's a church and behind it my gym. And just here to the left of where I live is the Love Motel. And there's a pool club in the basement. So this is in. Get my card ready.
출입문 열었습니다.
And I have to get the lift. And there's me. I live on floor number 4. Here we go. Sliding doors. And my apartment is 401. Please take your shoes off. This is my kitchen. This is my 2 hobs. Yes. And my boiling over water. Okay. Here is the kitchen. It's a lot bigger than the last one. Cupboards. Yeah. As usual, loads of tea. And last time I didn't show you my fridge. So here's my fridge. Complete with chocolate from home. And yeah, other bits. So this is the, I don't know, kitchen area. This is my bathroom. It's a lot bigger than the last one, and the shower no longer leaks on me. And then into the rest. So there's my sofa and my bed, TV. There's my computer with X Factor ready to watch. There are slightly less pictures than there were before, but important people are still there. And I have a much better view now. Yes, that is much better than my last view, so so that's my new apartment.